Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be showing you how to change access levels using the JLG Handheld Analyzer on a scissor lift. We are also going to be giving you an in-depth breakdown on all the top-level menu options and what they allow you to do. The JLG Handheld Analyzer is a must-know tool for diagnosing issues, adjusting machine settings, and performing calibrations on your machine. This is the second video in a two-part series on the JLG Handheld Analyzer. If you are looking for an introduction on setting up the analyzer and checking for fault codes, please refer to the first video linked down below in the description. Now let's get right into it. Start by connecting your analyzer to the machine's analyzer port. Note the location of this port can vary depending on your year and model. However, on JLG scissor lifts, this port is usually found down by the ground controls. Once you got the analyzer plugged in, it will not power up until the machine key is turned to the on position and the emergency stop is pulled out. Afterwards, your analyzer should read Menu, Help, press Enter. Using the right or left arrow keys without pressing Enter will access the top-level menu options. These include Diagnostics, System Test, Personalities, Machine Setup, Calibrations, and Access Level. Here's what each menu lets you do. Diagnostics lets you check switches, sensors, joystick function, and even see the software version. System Test tests the platform and ground controls. Access Level allows you to unlock the full functionality of your lift. Personalities adjusts how the machine behaves. Machine Setup sets machine's configuration. Calibrations calibrate the functions like lift height or steering on your machine. To make some of these adjustments, you'll need to change your access level first. Here's how you do that. Use the arrow keys to scroll to access level 2. Then press Enter. Next, using the up and down arrows, you enter the code 33271. Hit Enter again and you're now in access level 1, also called Service Access. Now that you're in Service Access, you can adjust personalities, complete machine setup, run full calibrations, and access service-only features like service mode if available. Just scroll to the feature you want, press Enter, and follow the on-screen instructions. If your machine supports service mode, you'll need to reference the correct service manual for that service mode code. Once you have the code, enter it through the analyzer when prompted. And that's it. Using the JLG Handheld Analyzer correctly will save you time and help keep your equipment running safely and efficiently. At GCIron, we understand the importance of getting reliable parts to keep your equipment running smoothly. As a trusted OEM parts supplier, we offer a vast selection of construction equipment parts. You can find the JLG Analyzer on our website linked down below in the description. And if this video helped, be sure to like, subscribe, and drop any questions down below in the comments. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.